Most Linux tutorials cover the cd command in about 90 seconds and move on. That's not enough. If you don't fully understand how cd works, the different forms, how paths work, and that one trick with the dash, you're going to get confused every time you open a terminal, no matter what else you learn. So this video is entirely about cd. One command, fully covered. cd stands for change directory, and it's the command you use to move around the file system from the terminal. Here's how we're going to do this. First, a quick overview of every form of cd you'll actually use, then a real walkthrough of a demo directory I put together for exactly this video, and finally a couple of practical habits that'll make you noticeably faster at the terminal. Let's get into it. Here's the first thing you need to understand. Your terminal always has a current location. Think of it like a cursor on a map. When you run any command, Linux starts from wherever you currently are. cd is how you move that cursor. Let me walk you through every variation you'll actually use. So 1, you move into a directory. That's called a relative path, cd documents. Relative means start from wherever I am right now and go here. 2, go up one level. cd 2 dots. That's the universal symbol for go up. If you're deep inside a folder, 2 dots takes you one step back toward the root. 3, go up multiple levels at once. cd ... / ... ad infinitum. 2 sets of dots separated by a slash. First set goes up one level, second set goes up another. You could chain as many as you need. And 4, absolute paths, like cd/home/Kelley/documents. Instead of navigating relative to where you are, you're giving Linux the full address from the root of the file system. It doesn't matter where you currently are, it just goes straight there. And there's 5, the dash trick. This is the one most beginners don't know about. cd-, that takes you back to whatever directory you were in before. Think of it like a browser's back button. Incredibly useful when you're jumping between 2 locations repeatedly. And 6, go home. This is probably the shortest command of them all. Just cd by itself. Type cd with nothing after it. That drops you into your home directory instantly, no matter where you are. Those 6 forms cover everything you'll encounter in real usage. Now let's actually use them. As I mentioned earlier, I've set up a demo environment at /tmp/cd_demo. You can build the exact same one. I'm linking the setup script in the description, or you can find it pinned in the comments. It creates a directory structure that looks like this. It's got nested directories with spaces in the names, and empty files scattered throughout. Let's start at the top. cd/tmp/cd_demo. The first thing I always do after cd is run cs command to see what's there. And if you haven't watched my ls tutorial, I'm putting it on the screen right now. ls and cd, they basically live together. The ls command. I type in ls and boom, I have output. Good. Let's go into the games folder. cd space games and then ls. And boom, we've got the Elder Scrolls folder and the Minecraft folder. Let's go ahead and go into the Elder Scrolls folder. Now here's where beginners almost always hit an error. If you type this cd Elder Scrolls with no special characters, Linux gives you an error. It's reading Elder and Scrolls as 2 separate arguments. Here's how you fix it. 2 options. Option 1, wrap the name in quotes. cd space open quote Elder Scrolls close quote. Option 2, escape the space with a backslash. So cd elder /scrolls. Both work. I use quotes. Pick whichever one you're most comfortable with and stay consistent with it. So cd Elder Scrolls, then cd Skyrim, and then pwd. pwd stands for present working directory. Good. Now let's go back up to the games folder in one shot. cd ... /... 2 levels up, 1 command. Now let me navigate somewhere deep using an absolute path. Let's go straight to the documents/work/reports/2024 folder. So cd/temp/cdDemo/documents/work/reports/2024. Then type in pwd to confirm you're in the correct directory. And there you go, 4 levels deep. You got there in one line. Now let's say I want to jump back to the games folder. That's all the way across the directory tree. So let's type in our handy cd space hyphen and boom, it takes you to your last location, straight back to wherever I was before. That's the dash trick doing exactly what it's supposed to. One more scenario. Let's hit a nested path with a space in the directory name. So cd/temp/cdDemo/games/Minecraft/worlds/ open quote my world, close quote. Do it now, PWD, exactly where we expected. Now for some practical workflow tips. 3 habits. These will make you noticeably faster. Habit number 1, always run ls after cd. Every time you move to a new directory, immediately run the ls command no matter what. Get the lay of the land. Know it's there before you do anything else. So cd/tmp/cd_demo, ls command, boom, cd ls, cd ls. It becomes automatic. And once it's automatic, you stop getting lost. Habit number 2, use the tab completion. Start typing a directory name and press tab. The terminal completes it for you, including handling spaces correctly. Way faster than typing full names, way fewer typos. Try it right now. cd doc and hit tab, and boom. It completes to CD documents. Press tab again, and it shows you what's inside. You can navigate multiple levels without typing full names. And habit number 3, PWD whenever you're disoriented. PWD stands for Print Working Directory. It tells you exactly where you are right now. If you're ever staring at a terminal prompt with no idea which directory you're in, just type the PWD command for the full absolute path printed immediately. So ls, PWD, and cd are your 3 core navigation commands. Learn them together. So to wrap things up, cd is not complicated, but most people use a fraction of what it can do. But now you know the full picture. Relative paths, absolute paths, cd dot dot, cd hyphen, navigating paths with spaces, and the habits that tie it all together. One command, fully covered. And if you enjoyed what you learned on today's video, feel free to like this video, comment down below, subscribe, and we will see you on the next video here on youtube.com/@KelleyParker.